So hello children, today we start a new chapter called sets. We are doing part 1. So we will start exercise 7a. Before I do the first sum, let me give you a brief introduction about what is a set. Okay, so set is a well-defined collection of objects. It should be very clear. That's why I'm going to do question 1 for you and show it to you. Then there are 3 ways of describing a set: roster method or tabular form, description method, and rule method or set builder form. So my next 2 questions, you will see I'll deal with them, how we write in roster form and how we write in set builder form. So here we start with the very first concept. What is a set? A well-defined collection of objects. So question is, which of the following are sets? And if they are not set, children, if you see if they are not set, you have to tell that why it is not a set. So I'll tell you over here while teaching and you can write down the answer. All the person on earth, yes, it is a set. Okay. All person on the earth is a collection of well-defined things, children. You can count, okay, how many people are there. So it's a well-defined, it's very clear. Like people in your family, people in your locality, people in your district. So we have census, we count. So it's a well-defined thing. All the leaders of India, this is not a set because the word leader is not well defined. The word, so same way you can write everywhere. The word leader, so somebody may be leader in my view, but he may not be a leader. He or she may not be leader in your view. So the word leader is not well defined. Okay. So next one, all the fat boys of your locality. Again, fat boys is not well defined. Somebody I may consider, he may not be fat, but you will say yes sir, he is one of the fat boys. So it's not a set. So write the reason, children. Same way here, the word fat is not well defined. So here same way you write here like we did. So here only you change it to the word fat. The word fat is not well defined. Okay. Next one, all difficult problems in your book of mathematics. So all difficult. So this word is also, if you see, is not well defined. So it is not a set. Okay. Same way you will write the word difficult is not well defined. So like here, the word leader is not well defined. The word fat is not well defined. The word difficult is not well defined. Therefore, it is not a set. So simply you write the same thing. Okay. All the books in your library. Yes, children, you can count them. It is well defined. So yes, it is a set because it is a well defined collection of objects. So first and last I see. I've done all the odd parts, children. You do the even parts. So here I see what I have done. First and last are set. But these 3 are not a set because these words are ambiguous, not well defined. That is leader, fat, okay, fat boys in your locality, and difficult words. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we move on to next question. So now we go to question number 2, where we are going to change, children, from set builder form. This is set builder form, X as that where we write, and we are going to convert to roster form, which is tabular form, means we will list the element. What are the elements over here? So you see, children, already in playing with numbers, my part 3 of video lesson on playing with numbers, I have explained what are factors and multiples. So factors are those number, children, which divide a given number without leaving a remainder. So 18 can be divided by 1. 18 divided by 1 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 18 will be divided by 3. It will be divided by not 4, not 5, by 6, then 9 and 18. Okay, here this one is a two-digit number, the sum of whose digit, very interesting, you see children. If you take two-digit number, so not up to 9 we will not take. See, 17 is a number whose sum of the digit 1 plus 7 is 8. So another number will be 71 here, children. So we are writing in ascending order. We are writing in ascending order, small to big. So 17 and 71, both you add the sum of digit. The sum of whose digit is 8, because 1 plus 7, if you see, is 8. 7 plus 1 is also 8. Now next one is 26, children. Okay, 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, 26 means, children, here another number will come, 62. Okay, 6 plus 2 is also 8. Next, if you see, so 1 here I am increasing and this will decrease. Next will be, children, 35. 35 is there, that means we will have one more number, 53, children. So if you see, we will have 53 also. So similarly you add here, children. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 3 is also 8. One more number will be there. Here we are increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we are decreasing 7, 6, 5, 4, 44. So we will get 44, which is sum of digit is also 8. And the last one, children, will be 80. Sir, you will say, why you have not taken 08? 08 is a one digit number. It is 808 is a one digit number from 1 to 9, but we need two digit number. So these are all the possible numbers whose sum of digit I have shown you over here is 8. Okay, so next we move on to question 5. We write it in roster form. X, such that is a natural number, is a multiple of 7 up to your 60. So if you see, children, X should be less than 60 means up to here we can go. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos, all the table of 7 up to 56. 7 twos are 14, 3s are 21, 4s are 5s are 6s are 7s are 8s are. So these are all multiple of 7. Multiple, I told you, means table, you see. Lot of video lesson I have put. Okay. We have seen in the meaning of LCM also, it's multiple. Least common multiple. So these are the multiple. We take common and we find the least. So X as that is an even prime number. Remember, children, there is only one even prime number in the world, that is 2. So if you remember prime number, I told you, prime number, if you remember, it is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, like that it goes, 17, 19, 23. So only one number which is an even number which is prime, that is 2. The last one here, X as that is odd natural number between 50 and 60. So H is, okay, H is 50 and 60. Odd numbers are 51, 53, 55, 57 and 59. So X as that is an odd natural number greater than 50 and less than 60. Okay, children, so here we have changed from set builder form to roster form. We will go to the last sum of today's session, where we will change from roster form to set builder form. That is question number 3. So kindly pause the video and copy, then we move on to question number 3. So now we go to the last question of this session, where we are going to change your describe in the set builder form, and they are given in your tabular form or roster form. So if you see question 1, they are all even numbers more than 15 and less than 29. So X says that X is an even natural number. X is more than 15 and less than 29. This, children, later on you will run, you could have written as greater than equal to 16 and less than 28. This is also right and this is also right. Okay. So x is an even natural number which is more than 15 and less than 29, because we exclude those, but here it is including. X is greater than equal to 16 and less than equal to 28. So if you see next one, I think x such that x is a factor of 45. So I have just finished playing with numbers where I have taught you what are factors and multiple. You see, factors of 45 is 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So if you see question number part 5, you will see, like before we had multiple of 7. So here we see that it is multiple of 6 less than 50. So you can write like this: x as that x is a multiple. So just see previous question, you will see multiple of 6 and x is less than 50. Or another thing I told you, you can write less than equal to 48. So x such that is a multiple of 6. Okay. Now next one, if you see children, they are all square of x such that is square of. So there are different ways of writing. Okay, so x such that you can write like this: x is equal to, so different ways are there children. X is equal to n square, where n belongs to whole number because it is with 0, n belongs to whole number and n is definitely more than 0. Okay, it is less than equal to 7. Or you could have written here also n is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 7. But whole number less than 7 is less than equal to 7 is better children, because it starts with 0. So this is a better answer. If you have in between, like we start with any other place like 4 or 9, then we have, so x such that x is n square, where n is a whole number and these are all square up to 7. So see, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square. So you can verify this. Okay, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Okay, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, and last one is 7 square is 49. Okay, so you copy it and try to do those sum which I have not done. So go through the concept of the sets, okay, and see all the solved example and do the unsolved example up to 3. And if you want to see same chapter I have done in my class 7, a lot of videos I have put, little harder than this, almost first chapter is same. So if you want, if you know how to go to playlist of my video lesson RKF classes, you can go and you will see in class 7 maths a lot of video lesson is there on sets. And so if you want to learn more, then only you go there and see, and little different questions. So almost we have same thing, but in class 7 the difficulty level is little more. So thank you children for watching this video session.